Okay, this diagram, right, can be simplified into a simple beam diagram. The whole length of this mirror is 1 meter with the pivot 0.3 meter from the left side. Okay, so we have the weight that is acting downwards in the middle, and this is 0.2 meter, and we have another upward force of 30 Newton that is 0.7 meter away from the pivot. Okay, so the 100 Newton weight is going to cause a clockwise moment, and the 30 Newton upward force is going to cause an anti-clockwise moment. So let's calculate these two moments. So the clockwise moment, it will be equal to the force times distance. 100 times 0.2, we will have 20 Newton meter. And the anti-clockwise moment, it will be 30 times 0.7, that will be 21 Newton meter. So the anti-clockwise moment is larger than the clockwise moment, so there will be a resultant 1 Newton meter of anti-clockwise moment. So the answer should be A. The weightlifter lifts a total weight of 1500 Newton through a distance of 2 meters. So to find the work done, right, it's very simple. We just use the formula. Work done is equal to force times distance, both in the same direction. It will be 1500 times 2. We get 3000 joules of work done. Answer C. Here we have a water tank and the heating element is placed at the top. So we are asked, why is it that the water at the bottom of the tank stay cold for some time? Okay, since the heating element is here, right, and the water will be heated, and when the water is heated, it expands and the density becomes lower and it starts to rise. So hot water will rise and the cold water will sink, and it will form a convection current. However, this convection current is only formed above the heating element, because hot water always rises. So the only way the heat from the heating element can go down to the bottom is through conduction. And since the water is a poor conductor of heat, it will take a while for the heat to travel downwards through conduction. Okay, so the answer should be D. Water is a poor conductor of heat. Okay, when the molten gold solidifies, the temperature will stay constant. However, the energy is still being lost from the gold, because the gold is still at a higher temperature than the surrounding. So the answer is C. Okay, we are asked which of the following quantities can be measured in meters. So basically we are looking at the quantities that are related to length or distance. Okay, amplitude is a measure of the distance from the equilibrium point to the peak of the waves, so it can be measured in meters. Frequency is measured in hertz, so it cannot be measured in meters. Speed is the rate of change of distance. It has something got to do with the time. For example, meter per second, so it cannot be measured in meters as well. And wavelength is the distance of one complete wave, so it can be measured in meters. Hence the answer should be 1 and 4.